What up, YouTube? So today is going to be part 6 of the Honda Civic k20z1 EG hatch build, and today we're going to be getting some more stuff installed on the car. So these are the parts that we picked up so far. So we got our SR3 EG SIR lip or factory EX lip. We got our SR3 SIR corners. We got a different bumper that has the grills and doesn't have no bite marks, so we're going to be installing that with a new lip. I was going to paint it, but I'm just going to keep it how it is for now because I just want to get this car going, and then once it's ready we can take it all back apart and respray everything and get everything fixed up. But other than that, we also have some stock mirrors. We do have these ones right here, but this one doesn't even have the mirror in it, and these are fading really bad. Plus we're just trying to get everything functioning for now. Everything else can be upgraded later. We got our brand new fresh set of mud flaps, and then we have our wheelwood brakes, 4 pistons, since our front brakes are locked up. And then we also have a stock hood that's better with no dents and everything. Shout out to Brandon. You can hit him up on Instagram. I believe it's Be the Barbarian, and check out his other page too as well. He's got 760 parts. I'll try to get a description on that, probably try to put that in the description. Other than that, we're pretty much gonna be just installing the hood, the corner lights, new bumper with the SIR lip, hopefully get the brakes on here, and that'll pretty much be it for this video. So right now I'm gonna just start installing the easy parts. I'm gonna go ahead and get these mirrors on, and then we'll get the bumper off and start installing the lip so we can get that situated, and then we'll install the hood. So I'm gonna go ahead and start knocking these things out, and then we'll come back after each one's finished. Alright, so we're back and we got the new hood on and we got the mirrors on. Now these aren't power folding or anything, I just folded them in like that. So yeah, that's looking a lot better on both sides. Now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get the side skirts and I get all the clips. I gotta take some clips off the coupe over there so I can have all of them. We're gonna put those on, and then we're gonna get the mud flaps on here. So they gave me some hardware to get those on. Probably start on the back first since those will be the easiest. We'll get the side skirts on and then put the front ones, and then we're also going to realign this fender a little bit, and then we'll start messing with the bumper, the lip, and the corners after. So we'll go ahead and get these mud flaps on, and then we'll come back. Alright, so we got the front mud flap, side skirt, and the rear mud flap installed. Definitely looks a lot better since it was missing the mud flaps with the side skirts, or at least the side skirts. Mud flaps aren't necessary, but it does look a lot better with the mirrors. This car is just starting to come together now, which we're pretty much almost there. So these side skirts, for people that don't know, these are actually coupe side skirts. They bolt up to like right here, and then you just cut off the extra length and that's it. It's hard to find hatch parts right now, especially side skirts, so those are due for now. I adjusted the fender a little bit, and yeah, this car's starting to come together. Next thing we're gonna do is start taking off this front bumper and installing the new bumper with the lip. Unfortunately, these brakes are too small, so I'm either gonna have to get 2 40mm rotors or swap different brakes. So we'll figure out on that. I'm not sure exactly what we're gonna do on the brakes, so unfortunately we can't drive it today, but we're definitely gonna be able to drive it very soon. This thing just keeps giving me problems after problems, but it's all good. It's all part of the project. Other than that, we're gonna get to the bumper, and then we still got the side corner lights we have to install. After we get those installed and the bumper, I think that's pretty much gonna be it for this video, until we figure out the brakes. That's the only way we're going to be able to drive this car. And I also have to get the car running first to see what's actually wrong, because it's tacking out at 5,000 right now. So got to figure out that problem. But right now I'm going to go ahead and take this bumper off, get to the corners, get this bumper on and lip, and then we'll come back. Alright, so we're back now. We got our corner lights on. And we got the new bumper with the SIR lip. I know it's kind of cheesy with the bumper looking like this, so probably will paint it later after this thing's running, just to make it look nice when we go to the track. But still a lot better than the old one, as you can see. Got the grills back in. Other than that, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Go over everything. So we got our mud flaps and side marker or side skirts on here, and we did the mirrors as well. So these are functional now. We're legit for the track, at least. And the only thing we didn't get to was the brakes, but hopefully the next video for sure. I won't actually film another video until I get the brakes finished, so you guys can see how this thing drives. It's actually really fast for what it is, for even still being a one-legger non-LSD. Other than that, guys, if you guys want to see what else I've done to this car, I will start at part 1, so you guys can see exactly where I got to right here. This car is pretty much almost there, besides the brakes and the reason why it's tacking out at 5.5. So once we get the brakes going, we'll be able to fully diagnose it and see what's going on. And after that, I'm pretty sure you guys will see this car at the track at Irwindale very soon. I just have to make sure this thing is perfect. I also need a battery tie down before I do that too as well. So if you haven't, like, share, subscribe, comment, check out the other videos, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.